happy birthday. Alam ko sa oras na ito, sobrang happy mo dahil nandiyan na din si Daddy. At ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, be humble palagi, at sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay.
2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things.
First and foremost, thank you kay Yumi for being so patient, para maintay at least si Daddy para makapag-celebrate. So, I'm very grateful sa lahat po ng dumalo today, and thank God for this day. Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Love, love, little things, love, love, little things.
Happy birthday! Ito na yung iniintay mong party. I know na nag-enjoy ka. Wish namin sa'yo, palagi ka lang maging healthy talaga at enjoy your journey habang lumalaki ka.
Just like how you are today, you're sweet and such a good girl. And I hope all your wishes will come true. We love you, baby. Happy birthday.
2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things.
Kaya nga po nang sinabi po ni Jello, salamat po sa time po ng bawat isa. Alam po kung marami po tayo pinagkakabisihan, pero naglaan po kayo ng night to celebrate po yung, with us, yung 7th birthday po ni Yumi. So maraming salamat po.
Lahat kasi is true mommy True mommy, kaya super blessed ako na andyan si mommy na lahat ginagawa para sa mga bata. So, thank you, ma'am.
For this moment, dahil siya lang naman ang rason kung bakit tayo nagsama-sama at nagtipon-tipon. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up together as we welcome Yumi Angela Bintunya Pangasinan.
Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little.
Wala akong masabi kundi super blessed na isang kagaya niya yung binigay ni Lord sa buhay niya.
Love, love, little things,